The long journey of diesel fuel from the refinery to the filling station and vehicle tank up to use in the fuel injection system exposes the fuel to a number of contamination sources. Contaminants can be particles, but may also be just water. Modern injection systems generate pressure substantially over 1000 bar. This enables adequate fuel atomization to ensure efficient combustion. These injection systems are sensitive to fuel contaminants from particles or water. Free water sometimes appears if there are temperature fluctuations. This leads to corrosion in various parts of the injection system, with considerably more wear and consequential damage through rust particles carried with the water. Mann and Hummel fuel filters for water separation with filter media such as the patented multigrade media offer effective protection for the injection system against ingress of water. As an option, the preliminary filter is also available with electrical heating for improved flow characteristics at low temperatures. A water sensor is also available for automatic water detection. The preliminary filter is usually fitted to the suction side of the engine fuel pump. The free water drops there are relatively big and therefore better to separate than after going through the feed pump, where they are agitated and become smaller. The preliminary filter is naturally also able to separate coarse particles. This means that all system components downstream are protected and the service life of the main filter is extended. So how does water separation work? Mann and Hummel uses hydrophobic filter media to separate water. Small water droplets collect on the media surface and these grow to become larger drops. Gravity acts on these large drops. Water is heavier than diesel, and so the large drops sink down to the water collector in the preliminary filter. Servicing is easy. At regular intervals, the water screw is opened and the separated water is removed from the water collector. The spin-on filter is replaced according to the specifications of the engine manufacturer. The system is ventilated by opening the air vent screw and operating the manual pump. The filter is ready for operation almost immediately. In particular, sensitive components such as the high pressure pump and the injection nozzles have a very fine clearance. At high pressures, the fuel has to be cleaner because any particles in the fuel fly around in an abrasive and destructive manner. The result is internal leaks, injection volume loss, and even total failure of the injection system. The main filter ensures that these small destructive particles are not given the chance to damage the injection system. The main filter is usually fitted to the pressure side of the engine fuel pump. The available pressure drop is higher there than on the suction side, and this has a positive effect on the service life of the main fuel filter as particle separator.